is for beginners. I will take it from the beginning to start so that you will understand fully well. And it's your skill. That's your skill. When you see this is your chord. And mainly for Nigeria praises. Ghana is different, all the countries are different. But for Nigerian praise, we use about 3 notes to play. And you have your do chord. We have your fa, we have your sol, and we have your do. So in this chord, we have, you can, my Lord is good, oh, my Lord is good. Everything now double, now double, everything now double, now double. So the intermediate now, you have learned how to, when you are playing, my Lord is good, oh, my Lord is good. Everything now double, now double. The drummer is playing, you have to vamp. My Lord is good, my Lord is good. Everything now triple. As are some of the songs you can use and play. And then I want to teach you about one line you can play to make everybody jumping and jubilating. And we have your, this is your do here. This is your do. This is your. Some have it like you put first and second. But me, anyone goes well for me. I can take example first and second. Because I first learned this one. So, we're making of this one now. Your mi so do. Hey, my Lord is good. We're making your do. This is your fa. This is your sol. This is your fa. And this is your do.
Why are you laughing?
I'll be giving you 2 lines today. I'll be taking this thing. I'll be taking it in series. So this is the part 1 first. So